Is that it tonight? We're done? It took me a while to put my stuff away. That's it? We're done?
Fire alarm.
We done?
Yeah, you're done. Right here. This door right here. You gotta go out this door here.
Where am I supposed to check? We done with this?
Yeah,
This is the end of the concert
over.
tonight?
Yeah, over.
Well, I gotta go out that way.
You gotta go this way. It's fire alarm.
I have to go out that way.
You gotta go this way.
I don't know how to get to my car from there.
Somebody will show you out here. Just walk around to the right, to the front.
Are we gonna do any more concert tonight? I have to change, man. The hell am I supposed to change at? Out here? What the hell? Hey, Charlie, what's going on here?
Fire alarm. Forward. Forward. Forward.
I gotta change my. Are we done with this tonight? Hey.
It's over with.
Okay, so where am I supposed to change at? Where am I supposed to change my stuff at now? I don't believe this. Where the hell am I supposed to change my goddamn clothes at? So you want to tell me what's going on?
Fire alarm.
Okay, 2 questions.
Concert's over.
One,
Concert's over.
all this stuff is over?
It's over, right. You want to get back to your car, you go that way.
I don't know how to get that one. I'm parked over there.
Go through here and go around to the front.
Maybe you could tell me something. You look smart.
Thanks.
What the hell's going on?
I don't know. The fire alarm's going off. That's as far as I know.
Okay, number one, I got to get back into my regular stuff.
Yeah.
My clothes, you know, this is my performance outfit.
Yeah.
Number 2, is that the end of this?
I don't think so. It's just a halt for now. We had to evacuate the building. Once that thing goes off, we have to evacuate the building. So I would assume we're going to go back inside when they figure out what's going on. But for now...
Somebody probably went by and pulled the goddamn fire alarm down, just for the fun of it.
Which is a possibility, but another possibility is there could have been an electrical fire, or somebody could have done something bad and started something somewhere else.
I don't know. All I know is I was set to dance.
Someone could have smoked in the bathroom.
Right, I was set to dance.
Oh, I dropped the cat.
Although this is more interesting, I'll tell you right now, but...
I do.
Yeah, this is me, Susan, standing out here. I don't know what the freaking hell's going on. I think somebody played a Halloween joke here. Are you supposed to be Barbara Eden?
Yes, I am.
I'll tell you something. Come in the light. Let me get a picture of you here. Can you do your wiggle thing and make this go away?
I wish.
Well, no, do some kind of wiggle thing.
I can do this?
There you go. You got to do this part of it. Yeah. No, it's still going though. You know who I am, right?
I tried.
You know who I am, right?
Who are you?
The Dance of Life dancer.
I love it.
For real. I'm for real though.
I love it. I'm so glad. I'm so sorry. This is my sister. Excuse me just a second.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get back in here. Art Museum, right? Tell me what's going on, please.
I don't really know what's going on. I heard there was a fire in the kitchen, but that's all I know.
I'm in here waiting for the next program to start, you know, with the best band I ever heard. And they sent me out here. I don't even have my regular shoes on.
I'm sorry, but yeah, I don't know what's going on exactly.
Well, second question is this over tonight or what? Is this program over tonight?
I don't know. We're going to be told what to do. And what
And the third question is, could somebody stop that freaking alarm? It's,
I can't help you with that question.
well, this is probably going to run more of a story than what I had. Hey, what's going on?
We don't know. That's why we out here waiting.
Somebody's dancing too hot? I don't know. All I want is everyone to get out of my stuff so I can go home. It wasn't that funny. Well, is this program done or are we going back in? Or do you don't know? Jeez! I wish somebody would stop that alarm. Well, where's this Jennie lady? Hey, there you are. Say something. Over here in the light.
I'm trying to see.
You?
When the police officer pulls her over in the car and he's like, "You're going the wrong way down a Mulvey Street." And she's like, "Officer, I was only going one way."
Yeah? Hello, I'm the dancer, life dancer, and this is Jennie.
Yes, I dream of Jennie.
This is more interesting than this. And you know who I am now, right, though?
Yes, I've seen you before.
Right. I think this is more interesting than that, but I'll tell you something. I was set up to dance here.
Really? You
Yeah.
did get
Huh?
to? Did you get to it all?
Yeah, some. But they pulled us out here.
I know. We got a drink and then they kicked us out.
Well, are we going back in there, or do you know?
I
But
don't know
I'll
at
tell you
all.
something. I used to watch that program.
Oh my gosh, it was my favorite show on TV. I have all the DVDs, but I couldn't find them.
Right.
I lost them.
You sure you can't make this go away? You know, by doing this?
No.
All right, well, nice to meet you anyway.
I'll try again.
What's your real name?
I'm Julia.
And you know who I am, so I don't have to tell you.
It's nice to meet you officially.
Right, well, I wish I was meeting in there with the dance floor. This sucks. This will turn out better than what I originally had planned for the day. Oh, pose right there. I like it. Jesus. I guess we're going back in here, right? They running this? They doing this tonight? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and set up for nothing again. see. Although this is going to be more interesting than what I originally planned for the night.
Good night.
It's better than what I had planned for the night. It is better than what I had planned.
I thought it was like a Halloween thing. I like how no one moved.
I
at
think
all
that's what
the
it
alarm.
was.
Yeah, I think so too. Someone was like, all right. Oh no. You need any help? All right. Couldn't go wrong. All right, guys. Now that the Halloween fire is over, I like how you did it. Yeah, I like how no one tried to.
These guys still going to play, right?
The alarm. You know,
Oh,
they're going Yeah,
Oh, that's
everyone
right.
standing still. Alright, Halloween.
That was,
I just thought it was
or something right there.
or something. Yeah. Dude, I think I met you before. Ezra? Yes. Yeah, Miles is listening. Yeah, yeah. Dressed up as me for Halloween. What's your name? Ryan. Nice to meet you. Ezra. Are you doing a video? No. Oh yeah, me too. Purchased the cars to pick the adult version. Oh yeah, I've heard that band before. Do you have any gigs coming up?
We had one yesterday.
Man,
We missed it.
I'm trying to make that before.
Yeah, we are. Thank you so much for coming. Sure.
Thank you very much for playing.
Exactly.
I love the hair
That's
thing
what
you
I
got
have to
going.
make it big here. For this art installation thing. Oh yeah. The art video thing with live music. And I think there's something happening in a venue I've never been to called, what's that venue called now? St. Paul's. Oh, it's new. Yeah, the new like autograph venue. Yeah. Is it cool? Or, yeah, I meant to go and go to a show. I want to visit. Yeah. What's that one? I forget the first. Kind of. I've heard good things about it. I haven't seen it live or heard new stuff yet. I heard they kind of have like a crazy kind of. What's the band called?
Yep, you seen it right there, my friends. We had, I don't know if this was a Halloween thing or what was going on, but, fun fire at the art museum. Okay. I'm sure that this will be more exciting than what I was originally doing, won't it, out there? From the one in the world to dance a light dancer. Thank you for joining me for this very interesting night.